Hello, people. It's December 21st. I want to read from terryjeanbedford.com, Victory at the Supreme Court in Canada. The Supreme Court of Canada upheld in full the decision of Justice Susan Himmel, she's awesome, of the Ontario Superior Court. The opposition to her ruling has been exposed as unfounded. This is a victory for all Canadians because it means the government must take specific positions in the laws it passes as to what consenting adults can and cannot do in private for free or for money. If they fail to do this, there will be no enforceable laws against prostitution, which they must now also define. Remember, the government appealed the initial decision without even reading it. Remember, the government insisted that the laws were constitutional right up until the Supreme Court ruling. Remember, therefore, that the government has lost all credibility on this matter, and any new laws to control freedom or to enhance safety must pass the scrutiny not only of Parliament, but of knowledgeable commentators, such as lawyers and professors as well. Remember that if the government tries to tell us that premarital or extramarital sex has to be for free, they are trying to impose an old morality that has no business in a free country. And you can download the decision, the entire decision, as a PDF on the site that I will link you. And you can look at all the key documents available to the public at the Bedford Safe Haven Initiative. For anybody who wants the case background, it's all on her site, Terry Jean Bedford, and the other sex workers in Canada who brought this case. Thank you. We applaud you. We know it's going to be a hard fight. We know they're never going to stop. They're never going to stop pushing the Nordic model that criminalizes clients, but they'll keep doing this. They'll keep trying to pull on the emotional heartstrings of everyone and proclaiming that prostitution itself harms society. It does no such thing. Now, and that's my announcement. And thank you, Ozzy Mandius Ramses. Thank you for Google Plus messaging me with that article. That's a very good article. I'm going to link you all the article that Ozzy sent me, asking me if I know about it. Yes, I've known about this. I've been paying attention as best I can to what's going on and what's been going on. And on the morning I knew this decision was happening, I couldn't sleep. I wanted to know exactly what happened. I really feared that they would lose. I feared that they would lose, and then the aunties would be able to say, look, we represented street-based workers. We represented marginalized women here by, supporting the federal government to appeal Bedford v. Canada. And that is not what happened. That is not. What has happened here is that the case was largely successful last year, except for the sex workers who brought this case realized that it was going to affect street-based workers. We're still going to be able to be harassed and made to be unsafe and made to experience all of it. They weren't going to really benefit from their case, the ruling of the court. So these women went back and fought for the rights of everyone, and they won. They won. Yes. That's all I'm going to say. There's so much information to sort through right now. You can read the summary of the decision. I'll just link you a bunch of things. I'm very happy and proud to be on the side that has wanted this for Canada. We know of countries like France who are going with these Nordic models. It's harmful to sex workers, these models. They don't care about that. They want their ideology to rule. They want to abolish the activity itself. And, I fear that something like that will happen in this country too, because prostitution, unlike in Canada, prostitution is considered a crime, is considered a punishable crime. So we have a little bit more. There might be implications, positive or negative, for U.S. Sex workers and advocates and activists. We'll see how those are developing, and I'll possibly even report on them as I learn about them. I'm not the most articulate person here, but I can at least explain to you what it is I'm learning, okay, as it happens. And Ozzy, thank you for asking. That I feel very proud that you did ask me. Thank you.